Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kalempong ya da kai sports, kebala pelong dekat nat Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs jong sarkar jela na kebentar kena skul ke jela. Ya kebala tem kum ke Chief Minister State Level Inter-School Athletic Meets 2019. Kebalai sengilenter, kebala sedang nadu ke arpo kendai trek mentau bena Jemang, arajar kat kendai, ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Polo, Shillong, haka laipoi trek mentau bena Jemang, kalapoi syaka bakut no. Haka ni kelempong ya kop kebalai sengi, haba pa syaki nang ilaka ki bapau bha. Haka under 14 naki kentai, ya ke nam Best Athlete layo da ke Joyful Narlong, nari Bhoi District. Kebala yok kamai nyau spa and ripupra points. Katba naki shendrapan layo do Chairman M Sangma na East Garo Hills District. Ubala yok kamai Sun Spa Sapusau point Sun Point. Haka under 16 naki kentai ke nam Best Athlete layo da ke Angelina J Jackson na East Castles District. Kebala yok kamai nyau spa lai penyo point. Katba naki shendrapan layo da Uchiban Don Hi Shella na West Gentiles District. Ubala yok kamai nyau spa lai kundai point. Haka under 18 pat nak kentai ke nam Best Athlete layo da ke Glorify Kurba na East Castles District. Kebalayo kamai New Spa Point. Katba nak kisendang pat layo da ukraw kupar Sabong na East Castles District hi ubalayo kamai Praspa and Ripulai Point. Ya ke nam Best Discipline Team layo da ke Kenhon na North Garo Hills District. Bat ya ke nam Team Champion pat nak kentai layo da ke Kenhon na East Castles Hills District. Katba nak kisendang pat layo da ke Kenhon na Ribhoi District. Bat ya ke nam Overall Team Champions layo da ke Kenhon na Ribhoi District.
Me, for the very first time, we have seen sports for health. It is very appropriate because we start sport in a very simple but very profound code, which you all understand. A sound mind in a sound body. Why? Because my dear athletes, if you have good health, you will not only be able to perform very well in life, but you will be able to face all the challenges that life poses. Now, it does not matter whether you have won a medal or not today. And why? Because the participation in sport has brought you actually so much joy. Because I can feel all the laughter, the dancing, the fun. I'm sure all of you will be taking home many wonderful memories. Also, I'm sure you have made so many friends. I think we have with us students from more than 200 schools who have come here today to participate in the state level achievements in schools that you need. And this is a platform to also identify the talent. And we hope we will be taking the talented sportsmen and sportswomen ahead of this field. And the gold medal in this event goes to athletes of East Haskell. Now, gold medals will be given to the athletes of the East Hills district who won in 4x100 meters relay and the 15 years girls. Give a big hand as these athletes are receiving the medals. And I will also call upon the gold medal winner of this event from East Haskell district, Sambok Sabong, Newaya Kumara. Here now, the assistant director is giving medals to the athletes of East Haskell who are receiving now the gold medal. Give a big hand to all these athletes.
Bhoi, 12.5 kg. So in the long run, was set in the
And second boy is an athlete of right country district.
Ladies and gentlemen, athletes, I now declare the state level Chief Minister's Sports for Health Athletic Meet 2019 closed.
jing so sorong ya ka district ni ba dia ka team hi berkhoi contingent ba wala ka dia ka jilong champion ba image as champion manda de kare ke ka prestige ka district ko so kunan ni jing e kibon ni fortunately kalau ba ikana long very keen interest ba in spite of lack of infrastructure ni kata interest Kim lost kata interest and they still keep continue working on, but that's why because of the interest of kena kita pun ada kata job provided nak jinon ji coach ni they see maroin iba laban motivate ki such way but kinum lose hope in spite of lack of infrastructure. Yes, they have to keep on practicing and it is not the end of the road. They have to keep continue working, practice hard, have the vision with the mission, then they have to target for the national game also. Back in Kabansalong have 39th national game to be held at stage 3. They have to target for that. And we hope that Bhoi will be a part of the state team.